8000 palabras en inglés. Método de memoria de sonido y forma. Palabras básicas de inglés. Episodio 2.
Stress.
Sílaba tónica.
Bet. Bet. Bear. Bear. Bed. Bed. Bedding. Bedroom. Embed. Bed. Bedding. Bedroom. Embed. Bed. Bed.
Cama.
Out of bed. Out of bed.
Fuera de la cama.
Bedding. Bedding.
Ropa de cama.
All the bedding. All the bedding.
Toda la ropa de cama.
Bedroom. Bedroom.
Habitación.
Bedroom curtains. Bedroom curtains.
Cortinas de la habitación.
Embed. Embed.
Incrustar.
Embedded document. Embedded document.
Incrustar un documento.
Bed. Bedding. Bedroom. Embed. Bed. Bedding. Bedroom. Embed.
Bet. Bet. Better. Best. Bet. Better. Best. Bet. Bet.
Apuesta.
Bet on the horses. Bet on the horses.
Apostar en los caballos.
Better. Better.
Mayor.
Better solution. Better solution.
Solución mayor.
Best. Best.
Mayor.
He works best. He works best.
Él trabaja mayor.
Bet. Better. Best. Bet. Better. Best.
Bed. Bend. Bent. Bench. Benefit. Bend. Bent. Bench. Benefit. Bend. Bend.
Doblar.
Bend my knee. Bend my knee.
Doblar la rodilla.
Bent. Bent.
Doblado.
Road bent slightly. Road bent slightly.
Carretera ligeramente doblada.
Bench. Bench.
Banco.
Sitting on a bench. Sitting on a bench.
Sentado en un diagonal banco.
Benefit. Benefit.
Beneficio.
Benefit of the tenant. Benefit of the tenant.
Beneficio del inquilino.
Bend. Bent. Bench. Benefit. Bend. Bent. Bench. Benefit.
Bet. Bet. Bury. Bury. Burial. Beg. Beggar. Bury. Bury. Burial. Beg. Beggar. Bury. Bury.
Valla.
Round berry. Round berry.
Valla redonda.
Bury. Bury.
Enterrar.
Bury the body. Bury the body.
Enterrar el cuerpo.
Burial. Burial.
Entierro.
Burial expenses. Burial expenses.
Gastos de entierro.
Beg. Beg.
Rogar.
Beg for help. Beg for help.
Rogar por ayuda.
Beggar. Beggar.
Mendigo.
Being a beggar. Being a beggar.
Siendo un mendigo.
Bury. Bury. Burial. Beg. Beggar. Bury. Bury. Burial. Beg. Beggar.
Bet. Bell. Belt. Belly. Bellow. Bell. Belt. Belly. Bellow. Bell. Bell.
Campana.
Bell ring. Bell ring.
Suena la campana.
Belt. Belt.
Cinturón.
Seat belt. Seat belt.
Cinturón de seguridad.
Belly. Belly.
Vientre.
Big fat belly. Big fat belly.
Vientre grande y gordo.
Bellow. Bellow.
Rugido.
Bellow of tearful rage. Bellow of tearful rage.
Rugido de rabia llorosa.
Bell. Belt. Belly. Bellow. Bell. Belt. Belly. Bellow.
Bear. 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 Barely. Bear. Unbearable. Bear. Barely. Bear. Unbearable. Bear. Bear.
Desnudo.
Barefoot. Barefoot.
Pie desnudo.
Barely. Barely.
Apenas.
Barely afford the fare. Barely afford the fare.
Apenas pueden pagar la tarifa.
Bear. Bear.
Oso.
The bear market. The bear market.
El mercado bajista.
Unbearable. Unbearable.
Insoportable.
Surgery unbearable. Surgery unbearable.
Cirugía insoportable.
Bear. Barely. Bear. Unbearable. Bear. Barely. Bear. Unbearable.
Stress.
Sílaba tónica.
Dead. Dead. Dare. Dare. Dead. Dead. Depth. Desk. Deck. Dead. Depth. Desk. Deck. Dead. Dead.
Deuda.
Clear of debt. Clear of debt.
Libre de deudas.
Depth. Depth.
Profundidad.
Ideas lack depth. Ideas lack depth.
Las ideas carecen de profundidad.
Desk. Desk.
Escritorio.
On the desk. On the desk.
En el escritorio.
Deck. Deck.
Cubierta.
Sunning on the deck. Sunning on the deck.
Tomando el sol en la cubierta.
Dead. Depth. Desk. Deck. Dead. Depth. Desk. Deck.
Dead. Death. Dead. Deadly. Deadline. Deaf. Deafen. Dealt. Death. Dead. Deadly. Deadline. Deaf. Deafen. Dealt. Death. Death.
Muerte.
His death. His death.
Su muerte.
Dead. Dead.
Muerto.
I was dead scared. I was dead scared.
Estaba muerto de miedo.
Deadly. Deadly.
Letal.
Deadly poison. Deadly poison.
Veneno letal.
Deadline. Deadline.
Fecha límite.
Work to a deadline. Work to a deadline.
Trabajar bajo una fecha límite.
Deaf. Deaf.
Sordo.
Deaf child. Deaf child.
Niño sordo.
Deafen. Deafen.
Ensordecer.
Noise deafened her. Noise deafened her.
El ruido la ensordeció.
Dealt. Dealt.
Trató.
Dealt with the problem. Dealt with the problem.
Trató el problema.
Death. Dead. Deadly. Deadline. Deaf. Deafen. Dealt. Death. Dead. Deadly. Deadline. Deaf. Deafen. Dealt.
Dead. Dare. 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 Daring. dairy, deli, dare, daring, dairy, deli, dare, dare.
Atreverse.
Don't dare to say. Don't dare to say.
No te atrevas a decir.
Daring, daring.
Atrevido.
Less daring, less daring.
Menos atrevido.
Dairy, dairy.
Lácteos.
Buy some dairy. Buy some dairy.
Compra algunos lácteos.
Deli, deli.
Charcutería.
Deli meats, deli meats.
Embutidos de la charcutería.
Dare, daring, dairy, deli, dare, daring, dairy, deli.
Den, dental, dentist, dense, density, condemn, condense. Den, dental, dentist, dense, density, condemn, condense. Den, den.
Guarida.
Lions in den, lions in den.
Leones en la guarida.
Dental, dental.
Dental.
Dental appointment, dental appointment.
Cita dental.
Dentist, dentist.
Dentist.
Go to the dentist, go to the dentist.
Ir al dentist.
Dense, dense.
Denso.
Dense jungle, dense jungle.
Selva densa.
Density, density.
Densidad.
Population density, population density.
Densidad de población.
Condemn, condemn.
Condena.
Condemn the violence, condemn the violence.
Condenar la violencia.
Condense, condense.
Condenser.
Condense into a sentence, condense into a sentence.
Condensar en una oración.
Den, dental, dentist, dense, density, condemn, condense. Den, dental, dentist, dense, density, condemn, condense.
Desert, desolate, despot, devil, devilish. Desert, desolate, despot, devil, devilish. Desert, desert.
Desierto.
The Sahara Desert, the Sahara Desert.
El desierto del Sáhara.
Desolate, desolate.
Desolado.
Desolate landscape, desolate landscape.
Paisaje desolado.
Despot, despot.
Déspota.
Cruel despot, cruel despot.
Déspota cruel.
Devil, devil.
Diablo.
Devil incarnate, devil incarnate.
Diablo encarnado.
Devilish, devilish.
Diabólico.
Devilish charm, devilish charm.
Encanto diabólico.
Desert, desolate, despot, devil, devilish. Desert, desolate, despot, devil, devilish.
Hemos lanzado videos sobre el método de memorización de palabras en inglés con 8000 palabras. En el futuro, continuaremos lanzando nuevos videos sobre pronunciación de letras en inglés, lectura fluida, entonación, oraciones gramaticales, categorización de situaciones y categorización profesional. Los invitamos a seguir suscribiéndose y viendo nuestros videos. Gracias.